We don't need to put the ramps down or anything, right? Or do we? Would you recommend putting the ramps down? Yeah, because the nose is going to rest on it fully.
Come on, put it down, let's go.
This isn't snow rated.
My mom's also got to leave in like 5 minutes.
Okay, so I need a really good point. Yeah, I can hold it like this from here. So I'm going to be fully holding it. I can pick up the whole F1 car by myself.
Oh.
I think the nose is strong enough.
Go ahead.
Yep. Oh, I felt all the weight.
Oh god, oh god.
Is all the weight on the nose? Yeah. Oh, I forgot I have stupid cactuses in the damn yard.
Cacti.
Cactuses. Taking a picture. It's like a skateboard. Welcome back to another video, guys. So we got the Formula 1 car off of the trailer, as you just saw in that clip. It's sitting right there. I was gonna record more, but sadly one of our dogs, Phoenix, her like belly ripped open where we just fixed her, so we had to like run to the vet and put her into like surgery. But I'm back now. Yeah, I think it's sitting on the ground on its body. I don't actually know. Pretty sure it does sit on its body normally. Maybe. I don't really know. But this body is like super solid, and when I say that, I mean like it's, yeah, besides the fact that it's moving, like it doesn't crack or anything. It's actually pretty well built, as you can see. It's also cool looking. I cut my hand on this cactus at the end when I like raised my arms because I was like, victory. But as you can see, me and Shane literally just took this off. It was about 200 pounds. Damn, it looks really cool on the ground because I'm used to seeing it at like my hip level. Damn, that's cool. Also, I kind of made an oopsie, guys, and I bought a bike. Here's a little clip of us taking it off my truck, which it was like mounted on. But I got a helmet with it, a ramp to load it. And yeah, and I got it for like $2,000. So it was like, here it is for reference. It's a Kawasaki ZX-10R. So now I have a Kawasaki KLR 650 and a ZX-10R. This works a lot more. It needs a few things. It needs tires. Could probably see they're like pretty worn out. Needs brakes. I think the fork seals in the front leak probably, but I mean, whatever. You can see it works. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, Yoshi. Dan told me I wouldn't fit in this thing, so I'm gonna prove Dan wrong now. Let me show you guys. So this steering wheel right here, better take this off. The steering wheel right here, it's like a giant broom right here, like the whole length of the thing. So I'm gonna cut it here so I can take it out, because I'm definitely not getting it with the steering wheel. I mean, it's literally where my thighs would go. This was the steering column, Rachel. A broomstick. Now I got my handy dandy.
There you go.
If this thing wasn't in here.
What the fuck?
Now we're really gearing up to go racing. I just hit my knee on that. Alright, we out. Oh, Oh yeah, it's so much better with that. Oh yes. Yeah. Probably gonna get attacked by a spider. Why is the steering wheel down here? Now I bet if I really sit in this thing. Right? Rachel! We out.
Where's your steering wheel?
Right here.
Is in?
Yeah. It's on my PP. I'll Photoshop this. I'll put Le Mans. Wait, no, it's not an actual track. I'll put Monaco in the background. Better yet, give me my motorcycle helmet. Wait, where's the black one?
There's the silver one.
No, I don't want to wear that. That thing has like God knows how many spiders inside. Oh yeah, brother. Let's go motor racing. I don't think my helmet's gonna fit in between this. Open this hatch and you'll be able to see my legs and where they are. It's fiberglass, so. Rachel.
Can't do this one-handed. Peekaboo.
Well, clearly, I got enough space to do the old two-step.
Ew, there's so much bird poop on this thing.
Yes. That is the sacrifice of racing. Bird poop. So yeah, these things actually, they put these on last once the drivers were in, I'm pretty sure. Even modern one, there's like all this crap around that once you're in the cockpit, it like, I don't know, clips or, I'm sure it does more than just rest here, but. Because there's leather all inside here. This is a nice Formula 1 car. There's leather interior. It has switches, an RPM gauge that only goes to 9,000, which is inaccurate because they rev to like 16,000. An oil pressure gauge. A vacuum gauge. I have no idea why there's a vacuum gauge. Some fake switches, a fake switch. You know why the car doesn't run? That off switch is in the off position. Turn it.
Wow, much
Did you make sure
power.
there's gas in it? Because there's a gas thing right there too. Does that thing actually open?
Ow.
Well,
With the coyotes?
I won, as always. This is
It looks
my new
like a
Halo.
fucking magnet.
Modern F1 standards. Ow! Ah, it smacked the back of my head real good. I gotta do.
The whole thing just cracks in half.
My pants are hooked on a screw. My pants are. Rachel.
No pee-pee exposure, please.
I'm gonna get demonetized. This is why you don't use wood screws in your Formula 1 car. Oh. Yeah, that might
Oh my god, look at that belly!
Yeah, I did that and the cactus. Before I close off the video, I just want to make note that this is actually not my main project. I told you guys once the R8 sold, there was a main project that I've been planning for months. I've tried to buy multiple times already, like 4 times in the last year, and it just didn't work out. The pieces weren't aligning. So that's actually not my main project. My main project is a car. It's a car with 4 wheels. That's not an open formula car. That car, it just kind of popped up for $500. I couldn't say no. I was like, whatever. There's a main car. It's going to be transported to me from the East Coast this end of this month, most likely. We will see it on the channel, so expect that in a week or 2, and that will be a pretty cool project, and that's like definitely it'll be awesome. I promise. Trust me, it's worth the hype, so to say. Well, that's going to be it for today's episode. God, that's so bright. Sorry there wasn't really much more. I was actually going to film a lot more, but like I said, there was kind of an emergency with the dogs. And that dog is now in surgery. Well, she came out of it, but the vet is like keeping her overnight. it's a lot of money too. It's actually more money than I spent on that F1 car just for dog stuff. So yeah, but definitely join you in the next video tomorrow or after tomorrow. I'm not really sure when. Not sure what it'll be on. Please just comment down below what you guys want to see next with this car or whatever. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.